Hello and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Today we got a huge box that I'm going to need help opening it up. This is my son Evan. He's going to help us open this up. Let's get to it.
The Autistic Modeler is proud to be partnered with Round 2 Models, the makers of great kits from AMT, MPC, and Polar Lights. Get yours today.
All right, box is open. Evan, show us the first kit.
Alrighty.
We got a Daytona Shelby Z MPC version. This looks pretty cool. Got custom versions there. It's like a V8 you could put in it. That's crazy. Turbo. Nice 80s graphics. That's pretty crazy. That's pretty neat. Pull out the next one. What else we got in there? Oh, we got a big one here. What is this? What is this? What? Kenworth Aerodyne. Crazy. That is neat. Look at the decals on that. This has not been out in a very, very long time. This is a cool kit. All right, let's look at the next one. What do we got here? Looks like we got a Thunderbird here. Not sure what year that is. Wow, it doesn't say. 56 Thunderbird. That is awesome. Big Y-block V8. That's cool. And what else? Another big one here. Santa Claus Ford C-Series delivery truck. Neat. That is cool. I really like that. Shh. Shh. Quiet. Cool stuff. So these are going to be coming up on the video real soon. I think the one I'm first going to do is this one. This is going to be the next video. When we get done here uploading this to YouTube, I'm going to start on this one. So thanks again, Round 2, for sending over the huge box of stuff. I appreciate it always. And until next time, I'm the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.